Problem number 1. Limit x tends to pi by 2 cot x minus cos x by pi minus 2x whole cube. Limit x tends to pi by 2. If you are substituting directly, cot 90 is 0 and cos 90 is also 0. And here if you are substituting pi by 2, pi minus pi is also 0. So 0 by 0, it is not in a proper limit. It is called indefinite. It is called an indefinite integral. Sorry, it is not a proper limit. It is of the form 0 by 0. So that's why we are taking cos x, cos x by sin x minus cos x. By taking 2 is common, 2 cube into pi by 2 minus x whole cube. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Taking cos x is LCM, common, 1 minus sin x by sin x whole divided by 8 into pi by 2 minus x whole cube. Now this is limit x tends to pi by 2 cot x. Cot x can be written as tan pi by 2 minus x. Now this is 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x whole divided by 8 into pi by 2 minus x into pi by 2 minus x whole square. Now this is of the form tan theta by theta form. So this is 1. So that is 1 by 2. Limit x tends to pi by 2. This is called 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2. Or otherwise this can be written as 1 minus sin x by 8 into pi by 2 minus x whole cube. When we substituting pi by 2, 1 minus sin 90 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 is also 0. This is 0 by 0 form. So that's why we apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to pi by 2. 1 means 0, sin x divided by 2 minus cos x by 8 into 2 into pi by 2 minus x. Minus x derivative is minus 1, that is plus. Now we substituting pi by 2, it is 0, 0 by 0. So again it is applying L'Hospital rule. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x by 16 into pi by 2 is 0 minus x means minus 1, minus minus plus. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Sin 90 is 1, 1 by 16 is the answer. Question number 2. Limit x tends to 3 root of 3x minus 3 by root of 2x minus 4 minus root 2. Here we substituting 3. Root 3 minus 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 minus 3 is 0. And this is 6 minus 4 root 2 minus root 2 plus root 2. It is 0. So that's why we are applying L'Hospital rule or substitute LCM method, or anyone can do it. So we take root 3 is common, root x minus root 3 by, here we apply rationalizing. What is the rationalizing factor of this one? Means that is root of 2x minus 4 plus root 2 by 2x minus 4 minus 2. That is limit x tends to 3. Root 3 into root x minus root 3 into this is square root of 2x minus 4 plus root 2 By taking 2 is common, x minus 3. X minus 3 can be written as root x plus root 3 into root x minus root 3. Now root x minus root 3, root x minus root 3 is cancelled. Now applying x tends to 3. Root 3 into root of 2 into 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 6 minus 4 is 2. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2 by 2 into root 3 plus root 3 means 2 root 3. Root 3 cancel, 2 cancel, so answer is root 2. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x into 3 plus cos x by x tan 4x. This can be solved by taking limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos 2x can be written as 2 sin square x into 3 plus cos x whole divided by x into tan 4x. Now this is limit x tends to 0. 2 into sin x by x whole square into x square into 3 plus cos x whole divided by x into tan 4x by 4x into 4x. X into x is x square is cancelled. Now this is of the form sin theta by theta, so it is 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1. And limit x tends to 0, tan 4x by 4x is also 1. Now limit x tends to 0, cos of 0 is 1. So that is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 2. 4 cancel.